Hey everyone, welcome to the video, and today I am going to talk about the syllabus of BA Part 3 English Literature Paper 1 of Rajrishi Bhartrihari Matsya University. So BA Part 3 English Literature, there are two papers in the syllabus. First one is Poetry and Drama, and the second paper is of Prose and Fiction. Now in the paper of Poetry and Drama, this paper is of 100 marks and minimum pass marks are 36, and question number 1 consists of reference to the context. So there will be 8 passages and students will be asked to attempt 4 out of 8 passages, and each passage will be of 5 marks. So total 20 marks for this question. Now question number 2 is a compulsory question where 10 questions will be given and the students will be required to attempt any 5 of them, and each question will be of 4 marks. So again total 20 marks for this question also. And now for the third part of the question paper. So there will be 3 essay type questions of 20 marks each in this part, and students will be required to attempt 1 question from each section, and there will be internal choice given in the question. So there will be 6 questions asked and the students will be required to do 3, selecting 1 question from each section. So section A, the syllabus has been divided into 3 sections, and section A consists of Now section B consists of Indian poets, and these poets are poets in translation, that is they wrote in other languages and then their poetry was translated into English, most of them. So this is the name of the book, Texts and Their Worlds by Anna Kurian, and this book has all the poems that are there in your syllabus. So the first one is poetry always worthy when it's old? So it's a collection of very small poems, and these poems are written by Kalidas, Bhavabhuti and Bhartrihari. Now we have Don't Call Me Indo-Anglian by Sayyid Amanuddin, and then we have From Homecoming by R. Parthasarathi. So Homecoming is a larger work, and a small extract from this poem Homecoming is there in your syllabus. Then we have Hiroshima by Agyeya. Some more Indian poets. We have Do Something Brother by M. Gopalakrishna Adiga. Then Women in Dutch Painting by Eunice D'Souza. Earthen Pots by O.N.V. Kurup. Stairs by A. Jayaprabha. Oh Great Poet by Daya Pawar. And the last poem that you have in your syllabus is Election by Sita Kant Mahapatra. So these are all the poems that you have in your syllabus. Now section C. Section C, as always, it consists of drama. So the first play that you have in your syllabus is Tughlaq by Girish Karnad, and the second play is Arms and the Man by George Bernard Shaw. So this is your syllabus for the session 2020-21, and I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.